is trying to achieve this kind of thing every day. Because once we know what the market is going to happen, we can stay ahead one step or two steps ahead in our competitor, then we have a better chance to survive. Allow me to emphasize that again, just to survive. This is the framework of strategic foresight, and you might see some were familiar, for example, like question analysis, and in terms like scenario narrative. But long story short, it is regarding how to go through a systematic method to help all the decision makers to see what we should do or what will happen and how are we going to change it, how are we going to cope with it. Let me put it very simple cases, just like as you might know, Acer and Asus, two of the biggest laptop manufacturers of the world, and all happen in Taiwan. They have similar product, they have the same market, but they even have a very identical employee. Some people just quit their job from Acer, and next day he will show up in Asus. It happens every day. A lot of my friends, your friends, do the same thing. But my question is, when they face so many identical things, do they have the same strategy to help them survive? I will leave you to check all the information online, all the news, or all the interview. It's easy to find the answer, so I will not give you a straight answer here. But I guess you all know the answer, you just need to prove it. Which improves my point of view that what strategy foresight happening every day. They are facing the same market, they are selling the same product. So why they have different strategy? Because they see different ways to solve the problem. And why we need to mention this? Because in the very near future, carbon market, ESG strategy, this is also related to why we are all here. It's about how ESG, how carbon anxiety brings to today's enterprise. So far, most of them, I believe many of you know this better than me. Lots of companies' boss or manager, they don't feel comfortable about this. They have anxiety. How are we gonna face it? What we should do? It increased our cost, and we already lost a lot of our benefit, and now we are facing a new challenge. We have to sacrifice a lot of our profit just because, okay, now we have CBAM, now we have ESG, we need to do this. Why? Why we have to do that, and how are we going to do it? Okay, just like, we have a lot of counselor or advice here to help enterprise face these kind of things. But still, do they know what's next? Even they are able to do the carbon exposure, they are able to draw the sustainability report. So what's next to help them? Or what's next? They know how they can be helped. That is the exactly different way to identify a company or an industry will survive in the near tomorrow or just be kicked out of the market. This is another key point that I'm trying to share here today.